Hi friends! Welcome back to our second day of math. Now we're going to be talking about something a little new. You might already know how to do this skill, but we haven't talked about it in class yet, and I'm so excited to bring it to you. Today we're going to talk about counting up to 12 and what the numbers 11 and 12 look like and how we can figure out how many objects we have if we have more than 10 objects. So join me as we learn about the numbers up to 12. All right, let's read our I can statement for today. I can count up to 12 objects. Let's read it one more time. Read it with me. I can count up to 12 objects. I've got a little story for you today. This right here, this is Susie. I'll write her name right above here for you. This is Susie. And Susie has some beads because Susie loves beads. So Susie has 2 orange beads, 4 green beads, 3 blue beads, and 3 pink beads. I want to know, how many beads does Susie have? Pause your video now and count the beads. Did you guess that Susie has 12 beads? Let's write the number 12. Susie has 12 beads. So when we write 10, we write a 1 and a 0. But Susie doesn't have 10 beads. She has more than 10, which means that she has a bunch. Remember when we talk about our straws, we talk about having a bunch. We have a bunch and then some ones. We have 12. It's a 1 and a 2. Let's talk about why it's a 1 and a 2. Let's split these up. 4 beads, 4 green beads, and 2 orange beads. That's 6 beads. 7, 8, 9 beads, 10 beads. We have a bunch right there of 10 beads. We have one group of 10 beads and 2 sole little beads that aren't in a group. One group of 10 beads and 2 beads that aren't in a group. Or we call this the number 12. This is the number 12. If you have a piece of paper, write down the number 12. It's a 1 and a 2. I would also like for you to go ahead and draw 12 counters underneath your number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pause the video now and write the number 12 on your piece of paper and draw for me 12 counters. All right, friends, let's count the counters that we drew just to make sure that we have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 12 counters, a 1 and a 2. I have one more story for you here. Susie's got some more objects. This time, Susie has 4 pink beads, 4 green beads, 2 orange beads, and 1 blue bead. I'm going to give you some time to count these beads. You can pause the video so you can count the beads. How many beads did you count? I counted 11, but I'm going to touch and move them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I was right. We have 11 beads. Let's write the number 11. It's a 1 and then another 1. This is the number 11. 1, 1, 11, 11. All right, friends, let me show you why. Just like I showed you with 12, why the number 11 looks the way, or why the number 12 looked the way it did. I'm going to show you why number 11 looks the way that it does. So let's count out a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a group of 10. I have one group of 10. And then how many little friends does not have a group? That's right, only one. One group of 10, 1, 1. We have the number 11. 11. I would like for you to write the number 11 on your piece of paper and draw 11 counters for me. I'm going to draw them with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pause the video now if you need more time to draw your counters. Now that you've drawn your counters and written your number, let's count them just to make sure we have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 11, a 1 and a 1. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. I really hope that you're having a good time at home and spending a lot of time learning, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you.